Inside this box is yet another Chinese knockoff vehicle, this time a Lexus SUV. It's the LX600.
And it's the cheapest one we've got yet, just $3,000. Today, we're gonna put it to the test against the real LX600. Welcome to Unboxed.
Before we open up this box, I want to mention SBXcars.com, our very own car auction platform. So if you like supercars, rare cars, or even classic cars, make sure to check out SBXcars.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's open this up.
Ooh, there she is. Let's get this plastic off. They always get the front looking good. Okay, let's tidy up this rubbish.
Let's do it.
Ooh,
Whee.
there it is.
All right.
That's what you get for $3,000. This is carbon copy.
Yeah,
and
that's
all
definitely
this.
it. And I think this is even a light. I might be wrong, but this looks like it could illuminate potentially.
I don't remember the Lexus logo being blue.
Or being made of paper.
No. Again, well, I mean, compared to some of the other ones we've looked at, the wheel proportion isn't quite as bad.
It's the wheels that get me. These are ridiculous. Look at the size.
This has actually taken up at least most of the wheel well.
It still looks a little bit goofy, but...
I mean, it's still goofy and small, but like, it's a little bit better proportion. I think these rims are going to be very similar to the Lexus.
I think that the front and the side is okay.
Yeah.
So far.
Side mirrors.
What the? Why?
Yeah, I don't know.
This is
I mean, I don't mind it, but...
Doors are not perfectly aligned.
Oh yeah. Guy at the Lexus factory would have a heart attack if he saw this.
All right, the back, I don't really know, to be honest. This kind of looks like it could be anything.
I don't remember the Lexus looking like this, but I guess we'll see when we bring it in.
And this is an actual rear view camera right here. These are sensors. This is a camera.
I mean, that's not bad for $3,000. If you're flexing this fake LX600, you're not flexing the back.
Yeah, no.
It's the front end where you want it to look good. So, I mean, the back's a little bit, how's your father?
Okay. And there's a stained white box.
That might be the charger.
Why is it stained, you know? By the way, you know, this costs $3,000 to buy, but to ship it to somewhere like Dubai or the Middle East or Europe, it's about $7,000 in total, potentially even more.
Which is actually quite cheap. Should we bring the real deal in?
Yeah, do it.
Here they are, side by side finally. The Lexus and the Lexus, I guess we're calling it. Look at these grills.
Yeah, the grills and the headlights, they did a great job.
They put a lot of effort into copying the front end.
Yeah, I can't even believe that they still put the actual logo on there, but even though the grill is obvious, when you look closer, the headlights are also identical too. You see how it has that kind of like
L shape.
Yeah, like L shape there.
Yeah.
And it's got 3 blocks.
Yeah.
Literally L and 3 blocks, just like the real thing.
And then like you were saying with the hood.
Yeah, it's got that like indentation down the middle.
Very similar on the hood, like the shape. They put effort into getting that the same, that sort of scooped out with the 2 humps.
These Chinese knockoffs, they have like a chassis, they focus 99% of their effort on the front, and then the rest kind of like, it's okay, you know, just whatever, just...
Now the wheels, we always have to compare the wheels.
Yeah.
Again, what are we running here? We've got 14s compared to 22s.
Yeah. And even though we always talk about the wheels being small, which they are, the rims are actually pretty similar. So when you get a closer look,
yeah, they actually
you see how they have like
pretty good job there.
The double line with the little gap midway through the rim. So double line with a little gap.
Two-tone.
Side view mirror has the piece, indeed.
Has the detail.
And that one doesn't do this. So
actually, this might be the first time that the door handles are somewhat similar.
Yeah. Let's go towards the back. Pretty bad.
For the amount of effort they put into the front, the back is pretty, yeah, there's not much similar there.
I mean, the taillights are totally off.
They're the same lights off. I think they're Defender lights. They haven't got these sideways lights at all, so let's have a look at the inside. This is where you will see a difference. They don't really even try and copy the insides, but they have gone with like a little wood detailing here. And they always seem to go this like wavy pattern which lights up from behind, which is actually cool. And you don't get that in the Lexus. I think they just find a bit of random colored carpet and chuck it in there. Protects the floor, that's about all. Let's get some of this plastic out of the way so we can see what else is going on. Okay. All right, let's turn, what is this seat doing? What are we going on a mission to Mars? Where the f***'s a keyhole? Am I blind?
I think there is no keyhole, just press start, stop.
What's this for then?
Just decoration.
You get 2 keys and no holes. This is actually much nicer than the other dashes we've seen. Look, we got some color going on here. A little green thing here, blue accent. It's much nicer than on the other one.
By the way, this
is that a
glove
charge
box,
point on the dash?
it's a USB.
USB charge point. That's nice. I like that.
This glove box doesn't exist. It's just, it's fake. So this is AC, but what does PTC mean?
Good question. Well, here's your controls for the AC over here as well.
But this is literally for the AC.
But this is for the AC. Well, this steering wheel is, by now, if anyone's watched the other videos, very familiar. It's the exact same one. Same writing, New Energy.
Are you sure that says New Energy?
I think it says New Energy.
It's just so funny that all of these are fake. Every single one is
everything.
fake.
Should we check out the back?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's have a look. Wow. It's a lot of space back here.
That is stiff.
That is.
Oh man.
There's a lot of room though.
Yeah, but
Heaps of headroom. Heaps of leg room,
there's
but
a ton of space back here. That's actually pretty nuts.
I don't think I'd like to sit
No.
on these seats or this suspension for very long.
A speed bump on this would give you like instant scoliosis.
Could be scoliosis.
Yeah,
It's
like-
a very specific disorder.
because a speed bump would just crack you in half. It's just so stiff.
Oh, they are very fake. Wow.
Yeah.
That is, they do not turn, they do not move. Very unnecessary. These ones work, I think. So we've got those ones. And that brings us to our charger. Again, just a computer charger, a 12 amp computer charger.
The back's actually pretty nice. It's comfortable. I mean, if you buy a couple of pillows,
Yeah.
you could actually ride around. Well, let's go to the real thing.
Yeah, let's have a look over in there. I think it's going to be a little bit different.
You know what I just realized? I've never been in a Lexus SUV. This is nice. This is like premium, you know? It's
For 100,000, I think you'd want premium.
nice little wood trim, even on the steering wheel. Different layers of leather. You have this screen, which actually is like just floating on top of the other screen. So start stop is over here, right there. And then over here, you have a giant center console,
Yes, which
which opens up like
also
this.
is a cooler. This is 100,000 versus 3,000. Like this, we're not expecting this to be in comparison to that.
Yeah, is it 33 times better than that one?
I would say the interior is 33 times better.
The door is definitely 33 times better. I mean, this is nice. Little wood trim again, different like seat settings, leather over here. The difference is pretty clear, right?
Yep.
Let's
I think we need to actually look under the hood.
Under the hood?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it. I'll open you up. Have a look. I'll rev it.
Well, here we go. 3.5 litre twin turbo V6. Very nice. Give it a rev. That's some power and quality. In stark comparison to what's under this thing. I'll open it up for you and I'll give it a rev. Okay, it's cracked. Have a look.
Absolutely nothing.
Oh no.
Yeah.
There's a ratchet
Wow.
strap holding the battery down.
It's like a slack line. It says made in China. But okay, I mean, yeah, not much going on.
Little radiator here. There's your horn. It's always
There's
good
like
to see.
zero hydraulics system on this. It's just like,
How is
ready?
the horn? Let's give it a quick. Oh.
Dude, that is like a guillotine. I mean, that'll kill you.
So we had a look at the features, and now it was time to head to the track and put the Chinese Lexus to the test. Time to see how it performs with handling, braking, and finally suspension. We're at Dubai Kartrome, and we're here to put the little Lexus through some tests.
First up, we're going to be doing the handling test, aka the slalom.
All right, let's see how agile the knockoff really is. We're going to weave through these cones and push the limits of its handling.
Why does this recline this much? Why?
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Whoa. We did it! That was actually not bad. That was not bad at all.
You look like you were fighting for your life there.
I did. There's no power steering on this thing. Yeah.
But it got through it.
It did it. It
Pretty
did it.
easily, actually. I didn't even look like hitting a cone.
Yeah, but no seat belts. Look at this. Look what I learned how to do.
That is a flex.
This car is full of surprises.
So we're giving this one to the fake. That's a pass for the little clone. Let's see how the real deal matches up. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Actually, really powerful. Handles great. I mean, I floored that. Did I hit any cones? I thought I did an amazing run.
No, you did an absolute shithouse.
I hit every freaking cone. Are you kidding me?
Okay, time for the brake test. So I'm gonna take this Lexus to 30 kilometers an hour. When I hit this mark, I'm gonna slam on the brakes.
Yeah, and I'm gonna run in with this cone, see where he stopped, and mark the braking distance.
Then we're gonna take the Chinese Lexus and see if we can beat that. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, there's 20, there's 30. Now we just gotta hold 30, hold 30, hold 30, and... That's quick.
I did like a double stop.
I think the ABS
Right there.
kicked in. That's a pretty short distance to have to stop in. I really wanted to see what the fake was capable of. So I thought I would use Sergi's face to help me out. At the point where the Lexus stopped, we're gonna put this.
What a handsome individual.
Good luck, buddy. You're gonna need it, I think. I'm shocked. I thought I was going straight through that.
Were you hitting 30?
Yeah, I was at 35 actually.
What?
Yeah, I had to slow down a bit at the line. So that's another pass for the fake. But just to be absolutely sure, I gave it another go. Damn, I missed my mark. Whoops.
Fail.
Now, I've laid out some speed bumps on the track to test the suspension on both vehicles. And first up, we have the real Lexus. Ready, Serge? Hit it.
Did you feel something?
That looked like a Sunday drive. It didn't look too bothered at all. It's time to see how the suspension of the little clone holds up. Will it give a teeth-chattering ride? Let's see. Ready for this? Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ.
Pretty good. The entire thing rattled.
That's your jaw. That's awful.
I think your door just opened. Look at that. Was that? Yeah, it opened. You opened your door up. Do it again, but faster.
How many teeth have I got left? Holy crap, that was bad. Although the little fake failed the final test, it did pass when it came to handling and braking. So, 2 out of 3, not bad for 3K.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks to SBXcars.com,
Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel.
and see you on the next one.